In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to hide a page from Google. Pages that are only relevant for a limited time, such as event announcements, promotions, or temporary landing pages, may not need to be indexed by search engines. Hiding these pages from Google ensures that outdated or irrelevant content doesn't clutter search results. For this functionality, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Now, we're going to achieve this with a plugin. You simply need to install this Yoast SEO plugin. I've already installed and activated it. Now move to Posts and click on All Posts. Edit any of the posts which you simply want to hide from Google. Scroll down to SEO Analysis. Go to the Advanced tab here. You can find Allow search engines to show this content in search results, and simply select No from the drop-down menu that appears. In case you want to learn how to create a landing page in WordPress, then we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link the video in the description below, or you can click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. And that's it. This is how easy it is to hide a page from Google. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.